Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to edit on Snapseed software using mobile phone. As you can see here, I have imported my image from my mobile. This image. Now I am going to edit it. Now select true image. And first of all, I am going to increase the brightness to 40%. As you can see, the image is very dull. Now I am increasing saturation also have to be increased to 35 to 40% as it is a dull image and it is having a lot of shadows. Shadows have also been increased. To reduce the shadows, I am increasing shadows also. Go to the warmth section and I have to increase till 36%. Next, as you can see here, I have clicked brush. I have opened brush and set it to an eraser type. As you can see in the background, there are very minute particles in my backdrop. So I have to erase them and clean them using eraser brush. As I have cleaned them, now I am going to the crop section and seeing my image is in correct position or not. My image is correct position only. Now go to the detail section and I am increasing the sharpening. You can see in the image the background is not good. I am going to change the background. Click the double exposure section and select an image you have downloaded from Chrome or Pinterest. As in the double exposure section, I have selected the image. The image has been appeared, the back image. Now I am going to the view edit section and clicking the double exposure part. And I am going to select the brush as you can see in the screen. Here I am using my finger and cropping all the background. And as you can see in the screen, the background is changing. You can change your background as per your wish and select the background from Google Chrome, as there are very much background on Google Chrome and Pinterest also. Here I am clearing the background and you can see here the background has been changed. And this part you have to be patient and use your fingers nicely and clear all the background. Now as you can see here, the background has completely been changed. Background has been changed and I am going to save this image. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye.